Hi everyone. I am Shiva. I am from CITS College. Today I am explaining about Northwest corner rule. This is the problem of Northwest corner rule. First you have to find the supply values and demand values. These are the supply values. These are the demand values. First you have to find the demand values. Equal to 34. Next, supply values. Down plus 9 plus 18 equal to 34. Then demand and supply values are both values are equal. Then we have to write the demand equal to supply values. Next we have to find the demand values and supply values. Minimum value is 5. Then write this here. Then difference between supply value and demand value is 2. Strike this column. Next, northwest corner is 3. Compare supply values and demand values. Here minimum value is 2. Then write the values. Then strike this column. Because of list number. Next, we have to find the northwest corner rule. Minimum value is 6. Right here. And difference between demand and supply value is 3. Here minimum value is 6. Then strike this column. Next, northwest corner value is 3. Right here. And difference between 4. Least number value. Then strike this column. And next, northwest corner rule is 7. Demand value and supply value is compared. Least value is 4. Difference between demand value and supply value is equal to 14. Then least value. Then strike this row. Next, compare with demand value and supply value. Both are 14. Then write it 14, 14. Then to find the cost of transportation. This cost of transportation equal to both values are 225 plus 3 into 2 3 into 6 4 into 3 7 into 4 plus 2 into 14. Here cost of transportation is 2 into 5 10 plus 6 20 plus 4 plus 20 the value is 102 units. This is the least cost of